Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Before we get started, make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to my channel. Virtual, augmented reality. So make sure to watch the full video. In an increasingly digital environment, the phrases augmented reality and virtual reality are crucial. Both names are frequently used interchangeably even though they refer to two distinct technologies. What therefore are the distinctions and affinities between VR and AR? These days, we gaze at screens for extended periods of time. We now rely heavily on computers, smartphones, and televisions to access a wide range of services, including social media, entertainment, and news. By enabling new and engaging interactive experiences, virtual reality, VR, and augmented reality, AR, technologies are revolutionizing the way we use screens. Through the use of a headset, virtual reality immerses you in a virtual world that you can explore. On the other hand, augmented reality is quite unique. Through the use of either a clear visor or smartphone, it layers digital visuals on the surrounding actual environment, rather than taking you to a virtual one. You might investigate an aquatic setting using virtual reality. You may see fish swimming about you if you used augmented reality. How is augmented reality defined? The digital and physical worlds are combined in augmented reality, AR. Both desktop computers and mobile devices can use this technology. It is unique because it allows to mirror digital elements in the physical world. The workings of augmented reality, AR. The fact that AR shows various content in the real world is one way that AR and VR differ from one another. This approach heavily relies on computer vision, depth tracking, and mapping. By using cameras, for instance, all data may be gathered in real time and analyzed right away. This enables the presentation of digital content whenever the user requires it. To take full advantage of AR's features, certain equipment are needed. For instance, smart glasses, which deliver the data via smart glasses software, are frequently used. Advantages and drawbacks of the technology of augmented reality. A general response to the question of which technology is superior, AR or VR, cannot be given. There are benefits and drawbacks to both technology. Here are some advantages and disadvantages of augmented reality. Advantages: allows for personalized learning and improves the learning process. Applications for augmented reality are numerous and constantly evolving. Accuracy and productivity can both be improved thanks to technology. Long distances can be used to transfer experience or information. Drawbacks: the implementation of AR is relatively expensive. The performance of many devices is to par. The absence of user privacy is a major drawback. A security compromise could result from the use of augmented reality if security is not prioritized. Using augmented reality, AR, in daily life and actuality, augmented reality offers a vast array of opportunities. This makes it intriguing for both personal and professional users. Dedicated programs can embed text, graphics, or videos. It already works well for the publishing and advertising industries to favor digital content over traditional publications. Thanks to our technology, users who want to translate texts into various languages can do so using contemporary translation apps. The use of augmented reality in logistics and construction is a promising approach to boosting worker productivity. Contacting clients, coworkers, or technicians is simple using augmented reality. What exactly is virtual reality, VR? VR is a computer-created simulation, which is the primary distinction between it and AR. This implies that reality or an alternate world is graphically constructed. The user can get completely immersed in the digital environment with the right hardware. Consequently, there are significant distinctions between VR and AR headsets. Sensory systems that convert physical movements into a modeled reality are necessary for VR-compatible hardware. Here is how virtual reality, VR, operates. The goal of VR is to recreate a different reality. The user can perceive and engage in the virtual reality world by using a VR screen. Between the user and the screen, this necessitates the usage of two lenses. The individual movements are adjusted to the VR by interpreting eye movement. Large-scale gear is therefore required in this instance to cut the person off from the outside world. Benefits and drawbacks of virtual reality. Every new technology has unique advantages and disadvantages. In VR, this is also accurate. Advantages: in an interactive setting, immersion learning is possible. The entire virtual world is available for users to explore. These new possibilities are beneficial for the education industry. This technology is utilized in flight simulators and battlefield simulations for the military. Digital training tools assist players in sports by helping them examine their technique and perform better. VR can be applied to treat anxiety or post-traumatic stress in medicine. In parallel, technology enables medical students and residents to practice surgery. Is it virtual or augmented reality? A comparison of the two technologies in detail. There are significant differences between AR and VR. The two technologies are not necessarily superior to one another, despite their glaring differences. Instead, both technologies excel in various application areas. When compared to AR, which enhances real-world scenes, VR provides an immersive virtual experience. Compared to AR, which is just 25% virtual, VR is 75% virtual. While AR works without a headset, VR does. While AR users interact with the actual world, VR users move entirely within a fictional environment. In comparison to VR, AR uses more bandwidth. The goal of augmented reality is to improve both the real and virtual worlds. A fictitious reality substitutes the real world in virtual reality, which is mostly used to improve video games. Successful synergy between augmented reality and virtual reality. A synergy of superior systems is produced when AR and VR are combined. Although they can be used independently, they function best together to give users a better, more interesting experience. To do this, a fictional world must be created that nevertheless permits communication with the outside world. You may use TeamViewer to develop fantastic software for both augmented reality and virtual reality. A perfect mixture of mixed reality. Mixed reality is the ideal fusion of augmented reality and virtual reality. Consumers and businesses can anticipate this technology soon entering the mainstream. Its foundation is the ability to interact with data intuitively while doing away with screen-based work. Handheld devices can replace these duties performed by fixed devices. Targeting consolidated data will be simpler at any time and anywhere, which is the obvious benefit. How to determine your saving potential with AR-optimized upstream processes in the automotive industry. How much money might your business possibly save if you implemented workflow support enabled by augmented reality in your logistical inspection or assembly processes? What would happen if your teams switched from manual, error-prone paper lists or cumbersome handheld scanners to voice-activated, hands-free, step-by-step instructions? Here's how to estimate your potential savings and return on investment for an investment in ad revenue. How much can I save in the automotive industry with downstream process AR optimizations? How much could you save if you made an investment in augmented reality-powered after-sales processes? Our considerable experience working with companies like BMW and Toyota has allowed us to pinpoint 3 essential ways that augmented reality, AR, can help you save money on dealer assistance and after-sales services. Discover the important considerations here. The new reality after the hype cycle, AR in the workplace. Many of us continue to wonder what the difference is between AR and VR, or even if the world is becoming increasingly acclimated to these technologies. Do they want to stick around, or are they merely a passing trend? So, that's it for today. We hope you enjoyed the video. Use the comment section below to tell us your thoughts about the video. Also, make sure to subscribe to our channel and click the bell button to be notified of all the latest videos.